my name is Neve. I'm 5'7" from Chicago, Illinois. I might say I like you less, but it's all just one big test. Pretend I'm leaving to make sure we're even. Trust me, as soon as you go, I'll make fake scenarios where I say I love you and you say gross. That leads to crying in the grocery store. Man, I miss my bathroom floor. No dirty looks from the moms in aisle 4. I know you just